Robert Cosi. I'm the publisher of Canadian Contractor, and I'm here with Gustavo Angola. He is the technical specialist for ITW, and we're back at their lab here at the ITW headquarters in Canada. Gustavo, I learned something the other day, I couldn't believe it, that fasteners for exterior insulation actually create a thermal problem because they're metal. Is it that big a deal?
Yeah, so you do lose a lot of heat when you use metal fasteners. All the heat that might be inside your building when it's really cold outside goes out, and that makes the whole envelope or the whole building less thermal efficient.
How much can it be? It's just a little fastener.
Well, when you're talking about metal fasteners going, let's say a 2-inch foam, you're talking about at least 8% versus an insulation with no perforations through it.
That's incredible. That's incredible. So this is the fastener we're talking about that you guys have developed.
That's right.
Very interesting. There's a little pin inside here.
So there's a steel pin inside, but as you can see it doesn't go through the entire length of the fastener.
Yeah, it's deep in there. And then what happens when you fire it out of the Ramset here?
So you would penetrate the insulation with it. The washer at the top holds the insulation in place. Then with the tool, you fire the pin inside, and the pin goes into the substrate, holding the insulation tight against it.
Let's see it in action.
Yeah, sure. Put your safety glasses on, please.
Yes, sir.
There we go.
And that's it.
That's it.
Wow.
And now what makes it
right.
have the great thermal efficiency that it does is this little cap here that seals and prevents air from going in and out, and therefore heat being lost through it.
So you're telling me that I'm going to save up to 8% in my thermal efficiency by using a fastener like this?
Yeah, that's right.
That's incredible. And it holds. Look at that.
Oh yeah, for sure.
That's a good hold. What spacing do you use when you use them?
Well, it depends on the size of the panel. You typically want to do one in each corner and then one in the center just to hold it tight.
And that's it?
That's it.
Yeah? Okay, and you've got fasteners that fit thinner.
That's right. So if you were to have a 1-inch insulation,
Yeah.
then you can use our 1-inch fastener, which is matches the length, and the pin inside is always going to be the same.
Okay, so just so that I get this straight, this pin, basically you're driving the pin with the Ramset into the concrete. This holds through the plastic, and then you got to press this in like this. This is obviously not the right size.
Check that.
But and then it drives into the concrete. The pin drives into the concrete. You're done.
That's it. Close the cap, make it seal.
I love that. That's really simple.
Yeah.
Yeah, and saving 8% on thermal efficiency is phenomenal.
In today's buildings, where you want to be as efficient and sustainable as possible. That's where like the coat's going. That's where everyone's going towards. Fasteners like this come really handy.
Beautiful. This is a fastener you want.